Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we made a tremendous love spell that would work for sure, but couple of steps that you follow for this love spell, and this love spell will help you out to get solve your love problems. So first of all, the name of this love spell is your lover will chase you. Your lover will chase you. After doing this love spell, your lover would chase you. The certain days that you have to do this love spell: Thursday, Friday and Sunday. On the week you have to do this love spell on the Thursday, Friday and Sunday. If you would do this love spell any other day, then it would not work. The timing for this love spell is you have to do this love spell by 5 a.m. to 5:09 a.m. Only you have the 9 minutes to do this love spell. You have to take these two papers with you and a marker with you to do this love spell. After that, what you have to do, this is very crucial part of this love spell and this video. You have to make a circle like this. Please give your full attention to this video. Please watch this video very carefully. You have to make a triangle in this like this. After that, what you have to do, please watch this carefully. You have to make a triangle like this. After that, you have to make one more triangle in this circle like this. Please give your full attention on this video. After that, what you have to do, you have to write couple of things for this love spell. First of all, you have to write here your name. For example, your name is John. You have to write here John, and you have to write this number, that is symbol of love, 143. Both of this side you have to write here. You have to write the name of the girl or your lover. If you are boy, you are doing this love spell, you have to write here your name. If you are girl, and then you have to write your name here, means that person who is doing this love spell, he or she have to write the name of your name here. After that, what you have to do, you have to write here 1 2 5 8 9. These number you have to write as it is, and you have to make two arrows like this downwards, and you have make a small boxes like this. Here you have to write your name plus your lover name. like this. After that you have to make this triangle, this angle. Here you have to make a box. Here you have to write Abu. Here you have to write Abu. On this side you have to write Wadu, like this. Please watch this very carefully. After that you don't have to fold this paper like this or like this. You have to fold this paper like towards you, like this. You have to fold it for 4 times. After that you have to put this paper with you for 3 hours, and if this will you keep with this, your lover will chase you. And you have to put this paper in your pocket or your wallet. If you are facing any kind of problem, you can call us the number that is showing top of the screen, or WhatsApp me, or you can make a direct call to me as well. If you have any kind of problem in your love problem, marriage life, and any problem, you can call us on number that is showing the top of the screen. Thanks for watching our video. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.